Assalamu alaikum. Hello, my dear audience, and hello, my dear students. I think you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I am all over the moon by the grace of Almighty Allah. Actually, today I'd like to share about make a mistake. You know that there are many type of person. Whenever they think I should grow myself and I should improve myself and I should shine in my life. So I have to do something. But whenever they start this step, that time they think, oh my God, if I will any mistake, so it will be destroy my life. And there are many type of person, maximum person, they think if I any mistake in my step, so many person maybe they will try to criticize me. Actually, make a mistake, it's not your enemy. Make a mistake, it's your friend. Make a mistake, it's your best teachers in your life. Because without making a mistake, you can't do anything. First of all, you have to make a mistake. It's possible for any type of person. But after making a mistake, you can develop easily in your life. So no need to think, make a mistake. You have to think positive and you have to think, I can believe myself. I have to do any things